This is last Saturday of June. This is a follow-up on the 2350. What I got done to it. What I got was a new grapple. This is an ArmstrongAg 7211 heavy duty. There's all kinds of different grapples. This one has a single clam on the top, 2 cylinders, 1 on each end. It weighs about 800 pounds. Now I wanted a heavy duty instead of a light duty. These bottom tines are 3/4 of an inch thick. The upper tines are a 1/2 inch, 7/16 thick. Real heavy duty frame. It's a pin-on type. I did not get a quick connect. Some of the grapples on the lower tines, they will come, here's my hand, anyway, they'll come way out on the bottom, and then you'll have a 2-piece grapple on the top. A lot of people like those. I bought this one for picking up 2,000-3,000 pound rocks up on the front section, brush, logs, things like that. So I needed a real heavy duty one. Tractor's more capable of the lift. I've got the hydraulics jacked up. It'll pick up about 4,500 pounds. So that's all for the grapple. I'm real pleased with it. I already tried it out. It works just like it should. You can see I got mud on it. It's pouring down rain up here today, so I can't do anything with it today. But it's pretty nice. Quick connects on the front. Use the remote valve on the back to operate the clamshell. Plugged in here in the back. This tractor has a single remote on it. So pull back, opens up the clam, push forward, closes the clam. Got to replace the O-rings on my hydraulic block valve. They're leaking a little bit. And not that big a deal. There's an O-ring and a spacer you put in. I just got to take it apart and do that. So anyway, that's all in this tractor. Thank you.